Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by turning your ignition to position 1, which is the first click, without starting the engine. Make sure your vehicle's mileage display is clearly visible on the dashboard. Next, simultaneously press and hold the call button on your steering wheel, followed immediately by the OK button. Hold both buttons for about 5 seconds until a new menu appears on your display. This initial step is crucial for accessing the service menu. Once the new menu appears, use the arrow buttons on your steering wheel to scroll through the options. You're looking for Assist Plus, which is the service system for your Mercedes Benz. Highlight Assist Plus and then press the OK button to confirm your selection. This action will take you into the specific service menu where you can manage maintenance settings. It's a straightforward process to get to the right place. Within the Assist Plus menu, you will see options like Full Service or Service 1. Select the appropriate service you wish to reset. After making your choice, navigate to Confirm Service and press OK. The system will then ask you to confirm the reset. Choose Yes to proceed. This final confirmation ensures that the service indicator is properly reset, clearing the reminder from your dashboard. After confirming the reset, turn off your vehicle's ignition completely and remove the key. Wait for a few moments, perhaps 10 to 15 seconds. Then, restart your Mercedes Benz C-Class. The service indicator light on your dashboard should now be off, confirming that the reset was successful. This simple procedure saves you a trip to the dealership for a routine service light reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.